What's up YouTube? So it is Duttyberry here, and I have to tell you, Nicki Minaj just dropped the music video and song for her single Megatron. And all I have to say is wow, 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 wow. So it was 11 p.m. I'm minding my business when all of a sudden I get a notification on YouTube that said Nicki Minaj has just released a music video. So I went to go and look, but you see the minute I hit play, my entire life changed. People, that song is a ratchet catalyst. It is a ratchet catalyst. I was minding my business, Nicki Minaj. You took some time off. You took a break, and all you were doing was preparing to drop this monster tune. No, cheese and pimp. So Rihanna is going to have a reggae dancehall album coming up, and if this is what Nicki Minaj is putting for 2019, it is going to be lit for summer.
My name is Betty.
Into the middle of this jungle, she gave you a massive attack. She brought it with a little bit of anaconda. In that same jungle is a big dancehall Jamaican Caribbean session going on.
I tune up when I'm
I know if some of you watch the song, listen to the song Megatron, you might realize that the beat, it sounds familiar, and it is familiar because it is a sample from 1998 written by Danny Brown called The Filthy Riddim, and it gave you songs such as Take It Easy, Cheesy, Nicki. That song, all of a sudden, that song is going to make people want to pat their weave that they don't have. You just feel as if you want to throw up a bubble gum in your mouth and blow it up like this and pat your weave and use a comb or a knife and scratch out dandruff out of your hair. That is what I mean when I said this song makes you become a ratchet skittle. This is like that dancehall Jamaican waistline type of movement. That ratatata, 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 hula shaba. Yes, man, that feels like you're bringing that revival spirit in your waistline. Nicki Minaj, this is a hit. This is all you return. I do not say that you have your new boyfriend in the music video. I do not know if it is because of your boyfriends, you know, why you have found this mega Caribbean joint. This is a hit. Song shell. I do not know what more I need to say. You looked curvaceous, you look smooth, you look lovely, you look you look like you lotion your body from head to toe to cuticle. You looked amazing in the music video and the song. Wow, I'm going to be listening to this for the entire summer. I do not care. I do not know what she was saying, but I heard Megatron and ratatata, and that is all I need to know. Okay? We got everything in this. This is the Nicki Minaj that I rate and that I love and that I support. Nicki Minaj that is staying away from drama on social media and focusing on giving these banging hits. Big up Trinidad in the building. Wow. I have nothing to say. What did you think of this song and music video? People, let me know how much did you think this song deserves out of 10. Are you here for it? Are you not? Comment down below. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of this Duttyberry reaction video, and I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and also to subscribe to me if you are new to the channel. And what else do I need to say? Follow me on Twitter. It is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Twitter, and on Instagram it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Instagram as well. Okay, so peace out.